how to fix Rufus error, undetermined error while formatting. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix Rufus error. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now search Rufus, then click on the first website rufus.ie. Here you want to scroll down a bit. Don't download the latest version. Instead, click on Other Versions option. Now you want to select an older version from here. Go ahead and select that. I'm going to select Rufus 3.12. Now once it has been downloaded, right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. Now on Drive Properties, you want to name the drive, then click on Select and select your drive from here. After that, you want to enter other details such as partition scheme, then enter the volume level. Now enter file system and then click on the Start option. Now you can check the status. You want to wait for the process to finish. Now you won't get the error anymore, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.